To achieve an ideal extraction or brew, some coffees require a wider grind range. A powerful feature of the Dose Control Pro is the ability to extend the grind range with an adjustable upper burr. We recommend only making one adjustment at a time. Here's how to adjust it on your machine. First, unlock the bean hopper. Hold the hopper over an empty airtight container and turn the dial to release the beans into it. Now, align the bean hopper into position again. Lock it into place before pressing the Start button to run the grinder until it's empty. You can now remove the hopper and firmly pull out the upper burr by rotating the wire handle counterclockwise and then lifting out the burr. You'll need to remove the wire handle on the burr to be able to rotate the burr freely to the correct setting. You'll see that the default setting is 6. To adjust the coarser or finer grind, move the adjustable top burr over one number. Then, align the number with the handle opening, like this. Reinsert the wire handle on both sides of the burr and push the upper burr firmly back into position. Then, rotate it clockwise to lock it in place. Align the hopper back into position, turn the dial clockwise to lock, then refill the hopper with your fresh beans. We also recommend grinding a dose and checking your extraction by brewing a shot. Ah, perfect. Just the way I like it.